Flow measurement looks simple, but in industry, wrong flowmeter selection can create wrong reading, wrong batching, wrong consumption data, and process control problems. Many customers say, we need a flowmeter. But first, we must check one important point. What is the media? If your liquid is conductive, like water, wastewater, chemical solution, slurry, brine, or acidic and alkaline liquid, then an electromagnetic flowmeter can be a very good option. In this video, we will understand the electromagnetic flowmeter, also called a Magmeter. At Radical TechArt, we supply electromagnetic flowmeters in different brands and configurations as per application. This flowmeter is used to measure the flow of conductive liquids and slurries in closed pipelines. In simple words, it tells you how much liquid is flowing through the pipe. It can also send this reading to a display, PLC, SCADA, controller, or automation system. In many plants, flow measurement is required for water, wastewater, chemical, dairy, food, textile, pharma, and process lines. But if the wrong meter is selected, problems start. If the liquid has solids or slurry, mechanical meters may need more maintenance. If the meter has moving parts, wear and tear can happen. If output signal is not available, PLC or SCADA connection becomes difficult. Electromagnetic flowmeter helps because it has no moving parts, gives industrial output signals, and is suitable for conductive liquid applications. An electromagnetic flowmeter measures volumetric flow rate. That means it measures how much liquid is passing through the pipe in a fixed time. Depending on the model, it can show flow rate, total flow, velocity, flow direction, and empty pipe status. This is useful for consumption monitoring, process control, batching, reporting, and automation. Let's understand the working in simple words. When conductive liquid passes through the magnetic field inside the flowmeter, a small voltage is generated. The meter senses this voltage and converts it into flow reading. So, the most important point is, this meter needs conductive liquid. For oil, diesel, gas, steam, or non-conductive liquid, electromagnetic flowmeter is generally not suitable. Now let's understand the main features and selection points. An electromagnetic flowmeter has no moving parts, so maintenance is low and pressure drop is very less. Its full bore design allows liquid to pass smoothly through the meter. Depending on the model, output options can include 4 to 20 mA, pulse, RS485 Modbus. 4 to 20 mA is useful for PLC and SCADA connection. Pulse output is useful for total laser and batching. Some models also support forward and reverse flow measurement and empty pipe detection. Before buying, always check media type, pipe size, flow range, power supply, output signal, display type, lining material, and electrode material. For normal water, standard material may work. But for chemical, acidic, alkaline, corrosive, or slurry applications, lining and electrode selection is very important. So, correct selection is necessary for accurate and reliable flow measurement. The flowmeter generally comes with a digital display. The display can show flow rate, total flow, velocity, direction, and status information. If you want automation, the same reading can be sent to PLC, SCADA, controller, indicator, or totalizer. This helps in monitoring, reporting, batching, and process control. Now let's understand important installation points. First, select the correct pipe size. Second, confirm media conductivity. Third, select correct lining and electrode material. Fourth, install the meter in the correct flow direction. Fifth, make sure the pipe is always fully filled with liquid. If the pipe is half-filled or air bubbles are present, reading may be wrong. Sixth, keep proper straight pipe length before and after the flowmeter. Seventh, proper grounding is very important. In electromagnetic flowmeter installation, bad grounding can create unstable reading. Always follow the manufacturer wiring diagram and installation manual before connection. Electromagnetic flowmeters are used in many industries. For example, water treatment plants, chemical industries, dairy plants, food and beverage lines, pharma industries. So overall, an electromagnetic flowmeter is a useful solution for conductive liquid flow measurement. It is suitable for water, wastewater, chemical, slurry, food, dairy, textile, pharma, and many process applications. Its main benefits are no moving parts, low pressure drop, industrial output signals, digital display, and easy automation connection. But correct selection is very important. Always confirm media, conductivity, flow range, pipe size, lining, electrode, output, and installation condition before purchase. For price, stock availability, and technical guidance, contact Radical TechArt. Our team will help you select the right product as per your application. Thank you for watching.